Welcome, everyone. In this video, we'll break down the 5 steps involved in acquiring a private aircraft to ensure a smooth and successful process. We begin with a comprehensive consultation to understand your travel needs, budget, and timeline. Our aviation specialists guide you through the entire process from day one. Once we're established, our team conducts thorough market research to identify aircraft that meet your specific requirements. We present a curated selection of the best available options. Next, we arrange professional inspections and handle all negotiations on your behalf. You get the best deal with complete transparency. After negotiations, our legal team manages all documentation, escrow services, and regulatory compliance. And finally, we coordinate the final delivery and provide comprehensive handover services. Your new aircraft is delivered ready to fly with full concierge support. And with that, your plane purchase is officially complete. If you have any questions or are ready to take the next step, we'll be here to assist. Thanks for watching, and thank you for flying with us.